Click on the image. At the top, go to Edit. Scroll down until you see Effects and click on Blur. So you have the option to blur part of the image or the whole image. So if you want to blur just part of the image, you can come over here to the brush size, and this will let you brush over parts of the image that you want to blur. So say, for example, I just want to blur this section here, and I can increase the intensity of the blur by moving this bar. So if I just draw over the region I want to blur, now you can see that this part of the image is blurred out. I want to do one more. Let's say I want to blur this bottle out. I can do that as well. I can also remove the blur and start over again. And if I want to blur the whole image, I just simply click whole image, and I can adjust the intensity of the blur depending on my own preference. So if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comments section below. If you enjoy my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.